The Switzerland train journey is an incredible, interesting, and captivating experience. While traveling on the train in Switzerland, you will encounter a plethora of fascinating sights. The Swiss Alps are among the most mesmerizing highlights with their majestic snow-capped peaks and charming alpine village. The iconic Matterhorn mountain stands out as a distinctive feature, leaving travel in awe of its beauty. Although not directly on the train routes, the Rhine falls can be easily accessed and are amazing sights to witness. Overall, the Switzerland train journey promises an enthralling adventure with its stunning landscape, charming town, and economic mountain, making it truly uncomfortable.